Hey guys, today we're going to learn on how to add music or audio in Canva, and all we have to do is to launch your Canva application using your Android, or you can just search for the Canva using your laptop. There, you're going to tap on the mobile video. You can decide to create it from blank, or you can decide to choose a template between some that are here. So I'm going to create it from blank. So all you have to do is to just choose the page, then you're going to tap on the gallery. Then you're going to place the video first, and then you're going to put now the image now above the video, like this one. So let's say this is my video. Then I decide to either now cover with, then I'm going to flick it and the whole screen. Once you're okay with the whole video, you're going to tap on this icon to import. Then you're going to tap on download, or you're going to share it to your social media platform, or even share the link. And thank you guys for watching this video. Please do like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.